Hi everyone, Arnold here, santamuertemagic.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. The topic of today's video is how long do I have to wait before seeing results after a petition? This is a question I received over the last couple of weeks from more than one person, so I thought I would discuss the topic and my opinions here. The short answer is I don't know. I don't know how long you might have to wait before you begin to see the results of a petition. The Santa Muerte does not work on your schedule. She does not work on my schedule. Also, depending on the size and intensity of the roadblocks or obstacles that are standing in your way, depending on the number of mountains which have to be moved in order to get you what you want, I imagine some petitions will take longer to fulfill than others. Now, this almost begs the question, if Santa Muerte has the power to destroy roadblocks, especially if she has determined that she will grant the request, then why can't she just snap her bony fingers and make it so instantaneously? Again, I do not know. Perhaps the object of your desire needs to arrive at a specified time in order to maintain a larger balance in the world. Perhaps there is a lesson you need to learn before you get what you want. Maybe the Santa Muerte just likes to see you sweat. Again, I do not know. And these ideas are all just speculation, so I wouldn't read too much into them. Taking into consideration all of the unknowns that we have to deal with when we petition Santa Muerte, I do have a personal philosophy or strategy that I follow whenever I myself make a petition. I don't mind waiting up to a month to see results. The results may or may not be complete. The results may not be everything that I had hoped for, but if I see some positive progress, if I see steps in the right direction, then I consider the petition a success. And I would consider my next moves based on that progress. If I am happy with where the results get me, even if they are incomplete, then I may let the matter rest and move on. If I'm happy with the results but want to keep pushing the momentum forward, or if I'm not happy with the results because I've seen no progress, then I might perform another petition with the same intent or with the same objective in mind after that first month of waiting. So if I decide to perform the petition again, I'll wait another 30 days and again assess my results. At this point, I've potentially waited up to 60 days for full granting of my petition. If I'm happy, I'm done. If I'm not totally happy, I'll do it again. Perform the petition with the same intent, wait another 30 days, and assess. At this point, I've potentially waited up to 90 days to see results. If I still have not received what I'm wanting, I'll take the hint that now is not the time to get what I want, and I'll let the matter rest for at least 90 days. I will let events play out. I will see what happens naturally. I will try to take control by my own power to move myself in the direction of the goal that I want to achieve. And then after that 90-day cooling off period, I'll call it, I'll consider doing it all again. Petition, wait 30 days, assess. Petition, wait 30 days, assess. Petition, wait 30 days, assess, cool off for 90 days if still nothing. And potentially, if you go through all that and still see no progress, then this cycle could go on forever. Realistically, I would probably advise that you take your first 90-day cooling off period and really think about what you're asking for. Maybe think about broadening your request. Maybe instead of asking Santa Muerte to send a heart attack to your bully at work, you ask that your bully gets transferred out of your office. So at least they're out of your hair. That would be considered a new request, a new petition that you could start asking for immediately. Now, there is always the chance that a petition will not be granted by Santa Muerte. If you are intent on getting exactly what you want, and in your mind there is no wiggle room, you can ask all you want with the right intent, with the right frame of mind, and the answer could still be no. The problem is there's really no way to know if the answer is no until you get to your last breath. If you get to your last breath and you still don't have what you want, then you can be certain, at least for this existence, your answer is no. Since you don't know if the answer is no until your last breath, I do not think there is anything wrong with petitioning for your goals, anything wrong with focusing on what you want for as long as you want it. If you want something that bad and you refuse to compromise and you still don't have it, then you should continue to pursue it. Because the only other way to know the answer is no is if you abandon the pursuit on your end. With that, I think I'll start wrapping up the video. Basically, there is no way to know how long you will have to wait to see results after a petition, but I like to petition, wait 30 days, if still nothing, petition for a second time, wait 30 days, if still nothing, petition for a third time, wait 30 days, and if still nothing, then I'll take a 90-day cooling off period to let events pass naturally before trying the whole cycle again. If I am willing to accept a compromise to broaden my expectations, then I will pursue that new objective with a new petition. If I'm not willing to compromise, then I could potentially continue to petition for what I want until my very last breath. Before I go, I'll just say that these are my personal preferences. You might feel better petitioning every 10 days and employing a 30-day cooling off period after 3 petition attempts. The practice of magic is highly personal, so you should not feel afraid to experiment and determine what feels best for you. Hopefully I've explained everything clearly, but as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions. You can get in touch with me through the contact form on the website. There's also the Patreon messenger system and the Discord chat server. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.